Okay, the RG-3 and the RG-300 are clip magazine launchers. The only difference is the RG-3 takes a clip magazine of 6 blanks and the RG-300 has a greater capacity of 10 blanks. Both the RG-3 and the RG-300 are maintained by the same cleaning procedure. First sign of being overdue for cleaning is the trigger gets hard to pull. And by overdue, probably that means after about 300 shots, they should be clean. The way to check is with a drill bit that we've taken the tip off and have scored the depths that the drill bit should go to. On an RG-3, it goes to that first score level. An RG-300 goes to the second score. What happens is, as the blanks produce carbon, they plug that square. This is a taken apart 3. You can see the carbon building up in that square port, and then the flash of the blank doesn't get up to ignite the pyro cartridge. So the blank cartridge, the flash, has to go up and turn 90 degrees. And being square ports in there, the corners get full, and in time it totally gets full, and then the flash can come back down and light up the whole strip of blanks. You're way overdue for cleaning. So this launcher, you can see it's probably about 3/8 of an inch. So that's quite a bit of carbon. We used an Aviation 3/16 inch drill bit that we supply, but I'm just going to tap it. We don't put it on a drill motor. Just with pliers, and turning it, and turning it, and turning it. Take it out. And you keep doing that. Just tap, 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 and then turning. It usually takes a bit when a pistol's overdue for cleaning. So sometimes it's easier to attach a vice grip to the drill bit, put it in, and then just keep hitting. This one's pretty much done now. You can see there are actually some big chips here and here. So what it ends up, not surprising, with all this carbon, why the barrel is obstructed. The port with the flash must go through. So the next step, after the drill bit has removed the bulk of it, I like using brake parts cleaner and just squirt it in. It's better than gun oil because gun oil is oil, and the blank cartridges and the pyro cartridges abhor the hint of oil. Brake parts cleaner dries quite rapidly. The brush that comes with the launcher, just insert into the muzzle end. The magazine should be ejected. Usually takes 2 times or so. Put the brush in and pull it in and out. Also a good idea at this point to spray into the magazine chamber with the brake parts cleaner and use the magazine brush. Magazine brush doesn't really go down there, just in the magazine area. And lastly, it's very important to never take the launcher apart. There's a series of springs and ball bearings, and they'll go flying all over the place, and very difficult to get them back together. There's no need to go internal. We showed you how to clean the port that the blank's flash travels through, and then the rest are every place on the launcher you can, around the triggers. There's a probe at the bottom for getting spent blanks out of the clip magazine. Squirt some silicone down there. Also at the safety area, and just let it sit and dry. Within a few hours, it's ready to go back in the field. Spent blanks are removed by the ejector lever on the butt of the handle. Just open it up if they're dirty and just pop them out. The magazine itself is cleaned the same way with the brake parts cleaner. And then the two-headed bronze brush. Just brush up and down, both sides. The launcher's ready to go.